Right. So, as the CEO of Inorganic Tutors Institute, I strongly believe in delivering quality education that meets the needs of the future. Right. So, that is why I'm very excited to introduce Aaron, our newest tutor who brings excellence in statistics, data analysis, and programming. He'll be taking us from the very basics to the advanced level using real world tools like Python, SPSS, Minitab, R, Excel, and other software related tools. Okay, so get ready to be empowered with skills that matters. This is Inorganic Tutor, unlocking minds with mathematics. This is Inorganic Tutor, unlocking minds with mathematics. See you right there.